Welcome to InfoGod channel. Today we gonna learn new mantra of Devi Ma. Devi Ma is a lady god in Indian culture. Today we gonna learn Shakti mantra of Devi Ma. Shakti mantra is a power mantra of Devi Ma. By chanting this mantra, you'll get blessed from Devi Ma and you'll get a power from Devi Ma to complete your any secret wish. If you want to achieve a higher post and you are not able to achieve that, if you want some kind of your work to complete and you are near 99% to that work but only for 1% you're losing some kind of work, then you need to chant this mantra every day for 21 times. This mantra is of Om Sarve Swarupeya Sareshaya Sarve Shakti Samanmite Bhayabhe Satrahinoya Devi Durbheya Devi Namostute. Listen it again. Om Sarve Swarupeya Sareshaya Sarve Shakti Samanmite Bhayabhe Satrahinoya Devi Durbheya Devi Namostute. You'll find this mantra into post also. Keep checking post.